Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Homo. Today, we're diving into a popular topic for LG Smart TV owners, how to watch Hulu. Whether you're catching up on your favorite shows or exploring new content, Hulu offers a vast library of entertainment right at your fingertips. Stick around as we guide you through the simple steps to get Hulu up and running on your LG Smart TV. Step 1. Accessing the LG Content Store. First things first, ensure your LG Smart TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the LG Content Store using your remote control. This is where you'll find a variety of apps available for download, including Hulu. Step 2. Searching for Hulu. Once in the LG Content Store, use the search function to look for Hulu. You can either type it out using the on-screen keyboard or use voice search if your remote supports it. Press Enter or select Hulu from the search results. Step 3. Installing Hulu. Next, click on the Hulu app icon to open its download page. Select Install and wait for the app to download and install on your LG Smart TV. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Step 4. Sign in to Hulu. After installation is complete, return to the LG Smart TV home screen. Locate the Hulu app icon among your installed apps and open it. If you already have a Hulu account, simply sign in using your credentials. If not, you can sign up for a new account directly through the app. Step 5. Enjoying Hulu content. Once logged in, you're all set to enjoy Hulu on your LG Smart TV. Browse through the extensive collection of movies, TV shows, original series, and more. Use the remote control to navigate, search for specific titles, and explore Hulu's personalized recommendations. Conclusion. That's it for our guide on how to watch Hulu on an LG Smart TV. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you started with accessing Hulu's great content right from your living room. If you found this video useful,